Thank you for tuning in, and in this video we'll be going over the API request to add a staging area for source within Master DataHub. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and copy this URL, and we want to pull up Postman, and we want to go ahead and paste it right in here at the top. In this URL there are a few sources that we're going to have to update, like the source ID, repository ID, and of course the account ID. And then secondly, we want to make sure it's the right request, so we want to make sure it's post. And then of course you want to include the body that's required for naming this staging area for the source within Master DataHub. So if we go back into Postman, we're going to go ahead and paste this. I have already thrown this in here. This is what you're going to go ahead and name your staging area, and this is what the ID is going to be listed as. So if you go back into your account, you can see right now we're using LD. This is where we're going to add your staging area. There's no current staging area. So we'll go in here, we'll go into Postman, and we'll go ahead and run this request. All right, we got a 200 response, and it's very important to make sure that you copy the output. This is going to be the staging area ID that you will need in case you delete a staging area or you use it for any other possible queries using APIs. After you add that staging area, we can go ahead and just refresh our page here and make sure that it got added accordingly. And it looks like under LD we can now see that there's a staging area, and I did name the staging area LD, and I named the ID as LD staging in the body of my request. And that concludes this video. Thank you.